Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back. Thank you for being back, of course. And depending on what I put the title as, you may or may not notice, but today is going to be something like a try and haul. Not really a try and haul, but the idea just came because I had to sort out my wardrobe. So I had a good bit of clothes, a couple pieces of clothes, well, that I'm not quite sure about. And it's like, you know those clothes at the back of your wardrobe that you just don't wear, and every time you're looking for something to wear, you just push them on the side, you never choose them? Yeah, so that's what I'll be going through. Okay, y'all, so the first one is this dress. See if I can give a full 360. And the back of it, it's like, I think this is such a cute dress. I think I have to lower this in the ring stand. Yes, I think this is such a cute dress. It's usually about, but I don't know, y'all. I just feel like I am, like, my chest area is just out so much, and then this back is backing a lot as well, and I am so skinny. I'm very skinny, as you can see. So I don't know, this dress just makes me feel naked. Although I think it's a really cute dress, but it just for some reason makes me feel naked. I feel as if it could have been a bit tighter, especially, I don't know, around here. I just feel like it doesn't, it's always a really cute dress. It just makes me feel naked. I feel like that's the reason I've never worn this one. On to the next. This is the next one. This one reaches all the way down to my knees. And I love this dress, y'all. I love this dress. But it has these string things here that you have to attach behind. If I ever do it, then I'll probably just tuck it inside because I don't want to take the risk of cutting it. But I don't know, it's the tiger print. Although I love the orange, it's the tiger print on it for me, and that's the reason why I've never worn it. I always feel as if the tiger print is just doing a little bit too much, so that's why I've never worn it. So yeah. Oh, I think I got this one from Boohoo, I think. Okay, so this next dress is black. I'm not quite sure if you could really see the detail, but it has lace over it, and it is so cute, and it's kind of short as well. But the problem with this dress, I'm just not quite sure where I should wear it to go. I'm not quite sure if you could see the details on it properly, but it's a really quite cute dress. But I never wore it because I feel like I just wasn't sure where I should wear it to go. To me, it doesn't give a club vibe, it doesn't give church vibe, and I'm not quite sure what vibe it's giving. And I'm not that much of a dress up type of girl. Just give me a jeans and a cute shirt with some heels, and that's it. But of course I love dresses and so on, but I'm not that much of a going out type of person. So, but even when I do, I just always seem to just, you know, one of these. Although it's really a cute dress, it's just, where should I wear it to go, you know? So yes, you might notice that I have a lot of black dresses. And let me tell you something, right? My cousin Alana, shout out to Alana, I love her so much. She buys like literally majority of my clothes for me, like 80% of my wardrobe Alana bought. So I think she has a thing for black and me. Anyways, she promised not to buy me any more black clothes, but like, yeah, she buys majority of my clothes. I rarely ever buy clothes, and if I do, then it's rare. But anyways, this is another black dress. It's short as well, and I love this dress. I love the sleeves of this dress. I love the sleeves of this dress. But just like the last dress, the issue was, where should I wear it to go? I mean, like, the sleeves are giving elegant church, right? But then this part here, which cannot stay up, it always comes back down. This part here is not giving church, and the length of it as well is definitely not giving church, like, until you allow me to leave the house. So yeah, but it's a really cute dress, and I love the way it fits me. It's like, oh, can I sing to you? Anyways, it has this frill things coming down here. I hope I'm showing off properly. I think this dress is also from Zara, because the last one is from Zara. This one is from Zara as well. It's a really cute dress. You know what y'all could do? If you all have an idea of where I could wear the clothes, the outfit or whatever to go, then you could leave in the comment section. That would be helpful. Surprise, surprise, another black dress. Y'all, this dress. Let me tell you about this dress, y'all. This is one of my favorite outfits in my closet. But y'all, I have never worn this dress because first of all, this dress has a low V at the front. And then it has the back out like this. See that? And then, although it's long to the ground, it has this split down here like this. See that? And y'all, I don't know if y'all could see, y'all probably cannot, but the dress at the bottom here, it's also see-through. It is literally see-through. I'm not sure if it's because it's night or whatever, you might not be able to see, but the dress is also see-through. And that was literally, it just has like this panty thing, like this panty thing here, and that's it. Like literally, that's the style of the dress. A see-through, long split, back out, low V dress. Should put this on an auction, baby, because I don't know where. Yeah, that's the problem with this dress as well. I have no idea where to wear to, and I haven't gotten a place to go to yet that I feel is worthy of this dress, in a sense. Okay, so don't laugh, but I promise this is the last black dress, I think. Yeah. Anyways, so I think, because like I had this dress for the longest while. I think I have this dress for over a year, right? But it was the sleeves. The sleeves is actually kind of see-through. But I still think the reason why I kept pushing it aside was because of the sleeves. I know it's kind of like a going out party-ish dress, especially with the length of it. It literally has a split here, and it's very short, so I probably wear it for heels. Would that not make it shorter? I'm not quite sure. Anyways, so yeah, I think it was because of the sleeves and like the chest area. My chest is out, my chest is, I don't have any chest. But actually this dress is actually really, really hot, regardless of the chest area and the long sleeves. But I think it was the long sleeves for me. Although, come to think of it, it is kind of comfortable. But then black with long sleeves, that's probably why I was pushing it to the corner. I'm not quite sure. Anyways, next. Okay, now I couldn't have remembered the reason why I never wore this dress. I'm not quite sure if you'd be, yes, I forgot about that. Yeah, it's that, I'm not quite sure why was the reason what was the reason I never wore it until I just put it on. And it's because this material is so thin. This dress is beautiful. It's really nice. It's getting like your grandmother's all-white party for her 60th birthday. But it's very, very thin. And I'm not quite sure what provoked them to make the dress so thin. So it's literally like see-through. Not quite sure if you could see it. I'm hiding because I didn't have on any bra. I was too lazy to do all of that anyways. So that's the problem with this dress. So I feel like if I have to wear this dress, probably have to get like a really, really thick tights. But one, like this tights that I have on right now, it shows the line here, right? And I hate, and it also shows it here, and I hate that. So if I have to wear this dress like ordinary tights, then I just wouldn't wear it. I have to wear something like Skims, like anyways, yeah, so that's the reason why I haven't worn this dress, and I keep on pushing it to the side. And I didn't remember this fact about this dress not until I just put it on a while ago. Okay, so we are done with the dresses. Oh, the last dress, I'm not quite sure if I said where it was from, but it's from Boohoo. But this top is from Zara. Although I didn't buy it, the tag says Zara, so obviously that's where it's from. So this top is really cute, y'all. I love the shimmery thing. I mean, it's not something that I would buy for myself, but I love the shimmery thing nevertheless. But it's the where should I go with it? And I also feel as if it's a size big for some reason. I don't know, it fits down here, but at the top here I kind of feel as if it's a size big. And also I'm not quite sure what bottom I should pair it with. I was thinking like a skirt, but like something tight, but the material of the top, I'm not quite sure what material for the bottom would pair nice with it. And that's the contention with this top. Help. So this is a gentle, not so gentle reminder to drink some water. I love it. Anyway, so this next top, y'all, I think somebody just came home. So yeah, this top is like one of these, I want to type out, but one of these like in between tops. Like this top is like, well, how do you call it, this bodysuit tops, and it like tacks in the middle of your crotch. But I like this top, I like this top, but it's the arms. Not quite sure if I'm not wearing it properly, if there's something I'm supposed to be doing I'm not doing, but the arms are just awkward for me. And I feel as if, you know, if it was fold up like this, if it was like a short sleeves, let me fold up the other one. Fold it up and ball it up. It would have been so much better, and I would have probably worn it by now. You see how much better that looks as a short sleeve top? It may give the beauty of the top, which is the buttons and this part here, like so much, like it brings it out more. But the long sleeves is just a distraction. I'm not quite sure if it's something I'm not doing properly or what, but yeah, that's the problem with this top, and that's the reason why I've never worn it. And then we have last but certainly not least, because there's a joke about this top. Anyways, so I said this top for last. This top is from a brand called Express. Not quite sure if you know about it, because I don't. But it's a really nice quality top. I love the quality of this top. But the thing about it, it's kind of too big for me, number one. And y'all, number two, look at this shoes. These shoes came with the top and a handbag as well. Yes, and I have never worn the top, of course, because it's too big for me. And for some reason I've never worn this handbag, although I think this handbag is so cute. So cute. It has a gold chain and the material on it is so cute. But the three of them came as a package deal, baby. Obviously I didn't buy it. I don't buy shit. But the three of them came as a package deal. You couldn't take one and leave the others. You had to take all three of them. They were triplets, you know. Worn the shoes once or twice, I think. I love these shoes, by the way. These shoes are gorgeous. You see these heels? Ooh. And I usually, if I'm wearing heels, I usually wear heels like this because my feet are bent, kind of crooked. Anyway, so yeah, I always wear heels like this if I'm wearing heels. But y'all, I love this bag. I may love this bag. The top I may wear, of course, if I get it taken in, but I wouldn't wear it together with the bag or the shoes. I may wear the shoes and the bag together. I don't know, but not with the top. But this is a really nice material top. Also, when I got these shoes, I also got another shoes the same time. Hold on. I got these shoes the same time, and they are so cute, y'all. Look, they have never seen the streets. Literally never seen the streets. And they are so cute. But it's let me turn on this light. It's the color of the shoes. I'm not quite sure what other color I can pair it with. I don't have any outfit or any top or anything similar to this color, and I'm not quite sure if the same color like this would match back to it properly, whatever, because again, I'm not that much of a fashion girl. But I love these shoes, and they're from Steve Madden, and they're really cute. But yeah, that's the reason I've never worn them, because I'm not quite sure what other color I could pair them with. Of course, I could always ask my auntie, because she is that girl. She is that type of person. She loves dressing up, and she loves pairing clothes, and she always does it really well. As for me, not so much. Anyway, so I think that is it for items in my wardrobe that I have never worn for various reasons. And until next time, and of course, if you have any idea what I could wear any of these pieces with, or what I can do to make any of these pieces better so I can actually get to wear them, then of course do comment. And until next time, bye.